Once upon a time, buying a fake handbag was a dirty little secret. Now it's a flex. At a recent conference I attended, I saw a woman wearing a YSL bag and I went over to compliment her on it. She turned and looked at me and said, "Thanks, it's a dupe. I only buy dupes." No shame, no hesitation, just pure confidence. And that outlines one of the factors that are happening in luxury today. The dupe economy isn't fringe anymore, it's mainstream, with customers actively seeking out these products and then flexing them on sites like TikTok and Instagram of where they purchase these fake goods. Whether it's an $80 fake bag or a super fake with brand labels right on them, customers are actively seeking these products out. And here's the thing, it's not just about saving money, it's about being self-aware, having some skepticism, and having a little bit of control in the consumer's hand. Customers are done by playing luxury's old rules. They've seen the videos on TikTok and Instagram of manufacturers showing these products that are being primarily created in China and then being finished and completed in Europe. They know that that $3,000 bag had a good portion of it created in China before being sent to Europe. What was once luxury's greatest weapon, its mysticism, its mythology, has now become its greatest liability. Even tariffs are pulling the curtain back. Country of origin loopholes are exposing offshore practices that have been marketed as European craftsmanship for decades. Consumers are realizing they're often paying for the illusion of exclusivity, not the actual materials and labor. And the dupe economy, it's winning. Sure, saving $2,000 is nice, but the dupe economy is more than just price. It's about aesthetic fluency, consumers styling themselves, not needing brand validation, anti-elitism, rebelling against gatekeeping, algorithmic exposure, platforms rewarding dupe unboxing, decentralized influence, the rise of niche creators setting trends. This is cultural, not just commercial. Now, here's the irony. That same person that bought that fake product and flexed about it could be your luxury brand customer in the future. This isn't just a price issue, it's trust. Consumers today are incredibly value conscious and brand aware. They aren't rejecting luxury, they're rejecting unverified luxury. And as source loopholes and misleading narratives come to light, the demand for transparency will only grow. There's a market now for people who knowingly buy fake goods. They're okay with knowing that product isn't the real thing. They've made that trade-off. Luxury used to mean status and scarcity. Now it must mean authenticity and integrity, because those are the real status signals in a world full of copies. At NIFMIT, we're not fighting dupes with lawsuits and moral arguments. We're helping brands rebuild credibility with verifiable authenticity. Our digital twin technology gives every product a unique tamper-proof identity that confirms origin, ownership, and life cycle. It's about restoring confidence in what luxury is supposed to mean, because in a world full of lookalikes and fakes, proof becomes the new premium.